Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and this folding massage table has all of the extras you need without adding any extra bulk and weighing you down. When you think of a portable massage table, you might be worried about how much it's going to weigh and what its weight capacity is going to be. So this portable table from Brelley only weighs 27 pounds, and the secret here is its sturdy aluminum frame. It's totally adjustable and comes with all of the accessories you need, including a headrest that tilts and adjusts, an opening in the table itself for your face if you want to place your patient a little bit lower. It has an arm cradle, and it also has arm rests that you put on the side. Now those are really important to me because when I'm on a table, especially a portable table, I worry, oh, is it going to be wide enough for me? But it is totally wide enough because they've added those extra armrests that you can place on the side, giving you a place for your arms to rest, whether you're lying on your back or on your stomach. So this table gives you a sense of sturdiness. It can support up to 450 pounds, and yet it is lightweight and easy for one person to use. The legs are adjustable to many different positions. You can really place this wherever you need to, at whatever height you need to. It's easy to clean, but I can break it down and everything stores inside. It has these wonderful latches, so you can place all the accessories inside and then close the table and latch it closed so nothing's gonna fall out. It has durable feet as well as a handle attached to the table so you can move it around. But they've also included a bag with an adjustable strap. And at 27 pounds, you're gonna be able to take this table anywhere you need to. It really has everything you need in a lightweight and sturdy package. And that is my point of view.